If you are a lover of beautiful and unusual plants, then you are in for a treat with this stunning new fern, which has been featured at this year's Melbourne International Flower and Garden Show for the Plant of the Year Awards. Discovered in the Netherlands, Davana is a beautiful new plant. It features these lush, glaucous blue leaves with this fun shape. And its hardiness and its unique features is what has won it awards internationally. Davana can be enjoyed outdoors in the garden in shaded areas in a rich humus soil, or it can be grown as an addition indoors in both low to brightly lit areas. And it requires minimal watering, which I love. Phlebodium Davana is a fuss-free plant that requires very little attention to keeping it looking good. And if you've been on the hunt for something new and exciting to add to your collection or your garden, then you'll definitely want to check this one out. To learn all about this stunning new fern, head to pma.com.au.